Well, I greet you all. I hope this message will find you wherever you are. But first and foremost, I want to say my sincere condolences to the current and the recent victim of minibus in Gambela region. This video recorded is dedicated to the situation in Gambela, because I know most of us, we always think if something does not affect you directly, that means it's not a big deal, it's not a big problem for you to have concern and being distorted. But you can be distraught or sad with gruesome killing which is happening now in Gambela, because whether you realize it or not, the individual who are targeted or who are killed, they were targeted or they had been targeted because of their ethnicity. Because of their ethnicity or because of their ethnic nature. That's why they are targeted and killed. So like I mentioned in my previous recorded video, I believe 100% nobody is exempted in this regard of killing innocent people by our brother Anyuak because of their ethnic nature. Because they are ethnic of Nuer, that's why they are targeted. And this need to be carefully scrutinized by many of us in diaspora, and also I urge His Excellency Dr. Abiy Ahmed to intervene in this horrendous situation occurred in Gambela. This daily killing must cease, if possible. I know I am not authorized by anybody in Gambela region of Ethiopia or by any official of Gambela to talk on their behalf. But I'm concerning citizen of South Sudan who has interest in Ethiopia. So for this long time conflict, which is usually occurring in Gambela between Anyuak and ethnic Nuer, the majority who are victims, they are Nuer. For so many reasons, they are the victim in the hand of Anyuak. And I also, in the same notes, I want to urge our annual brother to please restrain of killing innocent people intentionally. You usually hide yourself or hiding yourself in the bush with your ammunition and target many buses, disrupted business of Ethiopia Islander. I believe this needs mutual understanding and mutual respect. You have to sit down and undertake this initiative of peace negotiation or peace agreement that would promote and avoid disturbing the life of a civilian over there. People of Gambela need to have a mutual understanding. They ought to have mutual respect to each other, because Anuak and Nuer, they are Nilotic, in which it would never happen that they will not live together or they will not associate to each other. Because think about it, wherever Anuak are, Nuer is supposed to be there too. Nuer are supposed to be there wherever our brother Anuak are. Take it for example. They are in Ethiopia. Nuer are also in Ethiopia. They have some minority group in Kenya. Nuer are also in Kenya. They may have some people in different places like Uganda. Nuer, they are also in Uganda. They may have people in Malakal. Nuer are also in Malakal. They have numerous people in South Sudan. Nuer also have a huge number in South Sudan, in different parts of South Sudan. So there is no way this hatred and jealousy about your brother Nuer, in which you don't want them to live with you, there's no way that you will live by yourself. Instead of imposing this exerted force on them, you're killing them. Because what you have been doing as are your brothers is so-called strategic killing or systematic killing. And where they are oblivious, they are very oblivious, they are unaware that this squandering of population by annual brothers, rebels, killing individuals, may also happen to any one of us. We must all understand that all of us resonate with anything happening in Gambela. So I want to put this to our attention, that as Nuer in diaspora or in abroad. We need to add our voices together to tackle this serious issue of our people targeting by Anyuak. We need to work together. We need to collaborate to solve this problem of everyday killing of our people. Because if you think about it, or if you want to contemplate about it, after our Anyuak brother killed or attacked buses between the outskirts of Gambela, they may give them maybe like a few weeks or a month before another sequence of killing occurred. This need to be put to an end, and we are the one who can work tirelessly to bring this horrible situation which caused frustration among our people. It caused fear, too much fear and paranoia to individuals. Because how can you live with the pressure and the rumors that telling you somebody who look like police authority or someone who carry a gun to protect you, and you consider him like somebody in which you are under his or her custody care, could turn again against you and kill you. This is unthinkable, right? But some of us, they are blinded, and some are manipulated, that these individuals who are killed, they are killed by Nuer themselves. But this is not true. This is not true. I dismiss it as it is not true. Like I mentioned earlier, I have to reiterate that I was not authorized by anyone to talk on behalf of Gambela City and to represent Nuer who are resided in Gambela. It is my concern. It is really my concern. Like we have shared and seen the video that's circulated in the media. We saw that man who stood his ground talking about the problem of Nuer in the parliament of Gambela. We anticipate more than that one person. We anticipate more. We need more people to we need more people to spread their voice, to be heard even by His Excellency Ethiopian Federal Government of Ethiopia, Prime Minister Dr. Abiy Mohammed. We need our voice to be heard, and maybe there may be likely chance to at least to resolve, or maybe to bring this suspect into justice, or maybe to resolve the whole problem and bring it to permanent solution. Our people, they are so desperate for peace. They are so desperate to live in harmony with each other. And it is not only our people. Even the Ethiopian Highlanders, the Ethiopian citizens who settled themselves in Gambela, or who resettled themselves in Gambela, they facing the same challenge. They are targeted too by our Anuak brother. We may have different perspective in this, but all in all, we must come into conclusion that this killing is for all of us. There is no only people of Gambela that we may think about. Even all of us in this diaspora, we must be in that problem one day, because we like to travel from here to visit our family in Gambela or in the areas of southern Ethiopia. And then you may encounter this insurmountable problem. Even maybe in the checkpoint, you can be stopped. And when they note that you are Nuer, what do you think would happen? Or who may expect what is going to happen to you? So we don't want to be in dilemma. We want to work collaboratively and incorporate our ideas and our voice together to have maybe peace, or we may have advocates somewhere to intervene and resolve the issue of Gambela. Gambela is our home. We may have a friend, we may have close intimate friend, we must have a blood relative there, and I believe majority of inhabitants of Gambela, they are related to us in one way or the others. So we cannot look away or leave them suffering without anything we could do possibly to stop their suffering. So in my critique or in my analysis, I believe we all work to resolve or to find a permanent solution, because the deaths of our loved ones and the deaths of individuals Nuer is imminent. Even someone who thinks is distant or far away from such a problem, you don't need to shy away. So therefore I have to be blunt and say the problem of Gambela it's not yet finished, and one day it may also target you or me. I know I'm taking risk to talk about this, and I know in our social media here we are seeing everything, we are learning everything, we are hearing everything about anything which is happening. I'm sorry if I may offend anyone with this message, but we have to be honest and sincere in our speaking. I know most of us, they have their own, maybe they have their own favorite video or favorite eloquent speakers or public speakers. We have a lot of public speakers who usually manipulate or they encourage us, and sometimes we become active. We may comment, we may share their message. But anyway, that's it. So for me, my final message is, let us work to find a solution for whatever is going on in Gambela, because this is a systematic and strategic killing that will never cease. It will never stop until we find a solution. Let us find a solution by any means, whether we urge the central government of Ethiopia under His Excellency Dr. Abiy Mohammed to intervene, or we may use mutual understanding that we may sit down with our Nuer brother and find the solution. Why our people are dying every month, every day, every week. People now, they have problem with their farming cultivation because they have a scary and fear for their life. Seeing every time they want to go somewhere, they want to go outside of the Gambela, they may meet with their death. They may be killed by our brothers, Anuak individuals, or Anuak criminal organizer who hiding themselves behind. And to me, I believe the reason why people of Gambela exist is because of their hope should be only through God. Because if there is no God, those Anuak could one day charge and run and raid the whole Gambela, killing people in a rampant manner and ravagely destroy the city. This is what could happen, because like I mentioned, they disarmed some Nuer individuals who were authorized to be police. Now they are the only one who carried a gun and ammunition in Gambela. They could do and execute anything they want to terrify the population of Gambela. They may do it indiscriminately, without accepting or without isolating anyone, because right now Nuer and Ethiopian Islander, they are their target. Even if you look at the statistic, or maybe the way people live in Gambela, how they reside in Gambela, majority, I can assume that majority of Ethiopian Islander, they live with Nuer, and minority, they live with our Anuak brother. So Anuak brother, I can advise you, please accept peace, accept your fellow human being to live in harmony with you, live together with them. You know, we are here in different part of abroad and also in diaspora. We live with other people, you know, and we should accept. Yes, nobody is perfect. but we should respect each other's instead of thinking to eliminate them or trying to displace them. Thank you.